Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at something that really needs an upgrade on most budget laptops, the webcam. Most built-in laptop webcams are stuck in 2010. Low resolution, terrible low light performance and very bad audio quality. In this video, I'll be comparing a typical budget laptop webcam to a dedicated external webcam. Especially this video will be helpful for someone who is doing work from home, doing a lot of video calls, interviews and so on. So let's begin. So this is the camera that I'm going to compare it with the laptop webcam today. It's from Hikvision or Hikvision. Okay. And this one I bought it 2 years back and I'm using for all my interviews and video calls because the video quality of this camera is really amazing and the price is also in budget. Let's plug in this camera to the laptop. So all you have to do is just plug in this camera to the laptop. You can see it's already started working. Here they have given the adjustment. So basically you can place this camera on top of your monitor or laptop. So let me show you that. So basically this is how you can place it on top of your monitor. Okay, so it's pretty stable here. You can also adjust the head of this camera. Let's open the camera app and you can see this is the existing this is the inbuilt web camera and you have an option to change it here. Change camera. You can see the difference. See how wide this camera is and how blurry this camera is. Let me record this video so you can see the actual difference. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. This is the laptop webcam. Hello, mic testing number 1 2 3. This is the external webcam. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. This is the laptop webcam. Hello, mic testing number 1 2 3. This is the external webcam. Low light performance, laptop web camera. Low light performance, Hikvision external web camera. This video that you are watching currently is recorded with the Hikvision camera. This camera I bought it around 1100 only. It was 2 years back, 2023. Right now it is selling for 2600, but wait for the sale. Amazon sale is going to come. So I think you can get this camera for even below 1000 also, or if you are getting within 1500 also, this is really worth for the price. So what do you think? If you think this video is really useful for you, hit the like button and I will provide the link in the description box